Hi, you are welcome to my channel of Smart Polished. Today in this video session, I will discuss how to take the from user input for a student and search the student and evaluate the student all marks, summation of the marks and the average marks. So I will go through a basic scratch programming, so it is a beginner, you can say. After that I will show you the modified code of this one. So let's get started without any delay. So here I'm pasting the comment. Now I will line by line discuss whatever I did in this coding. So if you have any improved solution or any alternative solution, you can put down in the comment sections below, and you can put your approval or in modified code as also. So let's get started. Here what happened, I'm taking the student number, how many student is there. So I'm taking as an integer. After that I'm taking two list. Each of the list is first empty, so I'm taking two list, one for name and another for marks. So for is in range 1 to student number to 1, for all the students, I will take what I will take first the student name. It will take as a string, and I will append this name to the name, and I will take the space separated values for integers values for marks, and I'm appending these marks to the marks inside the list. So what happened after that, I'm calculating the length of the marks, because when you will calculate the average mark of the students, so what happened, to calculate the average you should have to sum up all the marks. After that, divided the marks by its length, by the number of subject. The same thing also I'm doing it here. After that, what happened, when I take two list will be completed, name and marks, I'm zip this to list in a dictionary format. So it is the command to make two list to in the form of dictionary, where name will be key and marks will be the values. So let's get started. After that, I want to search for a particular students. So if I start search here in particular students name, if the student name is exist, then it will asks, it will gives the result like this. The student search mark, it will give the mark. After that, it will summation all the mark. After that, it will calculate the average, and it will give the total marks as well as the average marks. So it is the basic. So constraint I am not apply here, because it is the basic to programming. For that reason I'm not applying the constraint. In the further, I will, you can make it constant, make it restriction that all the students mark should be in a particular value, or the name should be string, or other constants you can apply. So it is a basic. After that, I will show you the modified one also. So let's see and run the program. When you will run the program, see in this space here, it asking how many students. Suppose I'm giving 3, so it is asks that enter the student one name. Suppose you are giving the student one name is polish, and enter. So enter the mark is a space separated value, and whatever the value will give, it will take as an integer. If you not give integer, so it will return an error and execution will be stopped. So give integer values of space separated. So like 50 and 80 and 90, I give 3 values. You can give 4 values, no problem. Let's see, I will give the 4 values also, no problem. So like 61 marks also. Now it is asking for second students. So let's give the value. It is for 3 subject mark I'm giving. It is asking for third value. It is unknown student name, and give the values. Here also it is takes 3 subject. So only Polish cases it is takes 4 subject. Others 2 student like Gaurav and unknown, which takes 3 subject. So each of the students summation and the average mark will be different according to their number of subject and number of marks they got each and every subject. So let's see. So after that, the system asks me which student you want to track. Suppose I want to track the first student. So it will shows like that. that Polish marks is 50, 80, 90 and 60. Polish total marks is 280. Polish average mark of three subject of 93 percentile 0.33. It is the average marks of that. So it is the basic programming. Hope you understand. You can modify the code anywhere else if you want to, but let's go to the another version of this code which is quite modified and it's good. This code, I got this code from HackerRank. I not got this code, actually I got the problem from HackerRank. After that I got the solutions. Here you should have to apply the constraints in HackerRank whatever the problem, because neither the program will not be executed because there is a set of input is there. So for each and input you should have to pass each and every test cases. So let's see how it is working. Actually here is the, I want to execute the program as a main script, that's why I'm writing over here. After that n will take as a number of input, so it is actually how many student is there. So after that student marks I will takes as a dictionary format, because I told student marks means here included two things, one is student, another is mark. So for suppose here I'm giving here 3 or 4, suppose I'm giving here, sorry, suppose I'm giving here 5. So this is a loop, its loops will go up to 5. Okay, so this is loops will goes up to 5, sorry not 5, 1 to 5, yeah, 1 to 5 for each and every time whatever the first value, and it would be stay separated, trust me, because it is I'm using here split. So first value will automatically take as a name and the remaining values will take as a line, and the line, what are the line, those line are actually the marks. So to convert it marks, what I'm doing, this marks I mean those lines values I'm taking as a float values. After that float value I'm mapping in a list of score. So what happened, actually score, inside the score I will get the marks of this particular student. Now I am forming a dictionary format that student marks name is equal to score. I mean whatever the first value will come, it will name, and the remaining will take as a score. After that continuously for each and every loop it will store the dictionary key and values format. After that I will ask the system, I will ask from the system that the query name, I mean which student you want to track. If you want to track any particular student, if you it is exist in the dictionary, then it is fine, it will give the result, neither it will not give the result. So after that it will give the average, I mean the average marks of the students, and it will give in a 2 decimal floated point. Say in my last thing what happened, 9.333 is like odd. Okay, so if you want to up to 2 decimal point, so you should have to use this one, percentile of 0.2f. So let's run this program and see the output. So give first how many student is there. So let's have 5 students. Give a name, first name is a, maybe student name is a. Give the mark like 50, 90. Second student b and 90, 70. C 50, 50. D 60, 60. E 140, like this way. And last student F 80, 80. So something error is coming. Actually what happened, after giving this mark I am giving, and as I should have to give the query name, that's why it's giving. So sorry for that, I'm running this program again. So let's see, I will give the mark here 5 students. First students is first students, okay, a 90, 90, b 80, 80, c 70, 60, d 60, 50. Only 1 2 3 4 students happen. Now 5 student E will be 100, 100, like this way. So what happened now? 5 student is over. Now we want to search a particular student. Suppose we want a student like B. Okay, not B, like C. So let's see, if we give the C name, now it will gives you the answer that C's average mark is 65. So it is the hacker rank problem. Like this way it's optimized the code. Here you will learn how to take the multiple values for a single attributes, or in values, number values will be stored in a single attribute and it will convert it to an list. So we learn this thing here. So thank you for watching. If you have any particular solution or any alternative, or if any comment, please put the comment section in comment in the comment sections below. So have a nice day, and I will request you, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and for further notifications, if you have want to any updated some things or regarding any coding challenge, so you can do this thing. And further process I want to mention here, actually in this series of later I will upload the hiring challenge problem, which is quite important, not quite very important, and quite complex. So if you follow the hiring challenge, I think hopefully you will get the hiring challenge problem everywhere and you can solve it. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.